Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up an account on Variational. First, let's go to their website. You can use link in the description. Okay, let's click on Connect Wallet and choose MetaMask. In this step, you will need to paste access code. You can use the one from the description. And click Enter Access Code. Here, accept the terms and click Authenticate. Confirm on the MetaMask pop-up. Now let's deposit some funds. Type the amount you want and click Deposit. Confirm transaction on the MetaMask pop-up. And that's it. You are now free to trade on the Variational platform. Good luck. So, that's the end of this video. If you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.